So this is just a video on how to download and install Maya, the personal learning edition. At least that's what they used to call it, but like the student version for free. Okay, so a lot of times there seems to be some issues with this. So all you literally got to do is type in autodesk.com because that's the company that makes it. So autodesk.com. And then if you go on the right here, you'll see menu. Click on menu. And you hit close. I don't know what they're talking about there. And you'll see students and educators. Oh boy, don't click on free trials. Students and educators. Ba-doom. You're like, yeah, I'm a student or educator. Wow, I can download free software. Let's start now. Click on start now. And now you can click on this to view all products. So if I click on this, like you might want to download Mudbox or something. I don't know if we end up using it in the class. This is all the software that you can download as a student for free. Okay. So there's Maya and whatever, but it's actually right here too. So either way, click on it. And then it'll tell you system requirements if you need to. I don't really care about that. Now, if you don't have an account, you're going to have to click on create account. Do not click on get the free trial because that's going to lock you in and then you're going to be stuck. So you'd want to create a new account. You're going to fill out all the account information. It's just going to want like your student email address, and they don't spam you. Legit, the only email I think they're going to send you is going to be just that what your numbers are. Okay. Once you have the account, you would just it probably would automatically go to the next thing. For me, I'm going to just sign in here and sign in. Hopefully this is all right. I got to enter a code apparently, and mine is don't look. I'm going to pause it. All right, so I just hit the code and it went right to this, which is what you'll end up with. So it says, welcome back, John Cohn. That's me. Then I can choose my version here. So I'm just going to go 2019, but we're currently using 2018, at least as of when I made this video. We might be using 2019 or 2020, whatever I say in class is what you should be using. It's going to ask for your system. Obviously it's Windows, or it might be Mac, but for me it's Windows. And then I speak Inglés. And then it's going to give me, here's my serial key. And it's actually going to email it to me anyway, so you don't have to write these down. And then you just click install now. It's going to have a little installer thing. One sec. Come on. Try again. Oh, here we go. Oh, you can download now? Well, we're going to install now. And then I'll accept and install. And then it's going to, yep. And I'm just going to hit save. And then once it's done saving, just go ahead and open it up. So go to wherever your downloads are, and then you're just gonna basically follow. You're just gonna follow along with what the prompts tell you. Okay, so it should be pretty simple. If it does start to, okay, yep, you have my blessing. There we go. So it's going to go through this whole thing. If your internet's kind of junky, I would tell you to go hook up to a landline or something, because if it gets interrupted, it's going to be all messed up and it's just annoying. So, but you could probably just download it apparently. Now, it used to be you had to install it as you're downloading it, but maybe you don't have to do that now. Anyway, so that's basically it. And then it's going to start installing, and then once it's done, it'll pop up and it'll be good to go. And that's it. So good luck.